Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. Today is my fifth lecture. As you know that in my fourth lecture I have been told you about the coronation ceremony. So my dear student, the coronation ceremony, as you know, it become very much successful. It will become very much accomplished. Why it become accomplished? Because nobody understand that who's the person who become a crown king is an impostor or a real king. No any one person, unless Michael and his personal bodyguard. Now I tell you, when the coronation ceremony has become successful, what happened in shooting lodge is, you know, two people were there, three people, as Mr. Real King Rodolphe Albert, and as you know that Johan's mother and Joseph, the three people were in shooting lodge. Now the situation is that when the coronation ceremony has become successful, the duty of Mr. Zenda, Sept and Fritz to save the king, how is he in condition where he is resided in a drunkard position. After all, the coronation ceremony has become ended. Now the plan is to resemble and Sept and Fritz is that Mr. Fritz will stay in Mr. Crown King's room and nobody would be allowed to enter. And Sept and Razendal, without inform to any person, early in the morning from the back door, behind the door, secret door, they will go to visit shooting lodge. So this is the plan. So I am focusing again these situation. Through the horse, they travel without telling anyone. When they were moving towards a shooting lodge, which resided, which is place situated in Zenda, they have listened the sound of some people. They were following them. Sept and Fritz stopped in the bushes, and they saw there's Michael and Max Hoff, and his people were following them. After all, they reached to a shooting lodge. What they've seen? That the ladies disappeared. Johan's mother, she is the steamer connected in the plane of Black Michael, and Joseph, he was murdered, and there was no real king. The Sept says, it's my fully determined belief that the real king is kidnapped, and there is no another person instead of Black Michael. After all, when they have seen the body of Joseph, Sept says, oh my dear brother Joseph, we will revenge you. We will kill the people whom you are being killed by them, the people of Michael and his personal bodyguard. I always, in my fourth lecture, I have been told you, my dear student, the names of 6 personnel, Rapada Fantazo, Lengram, Kraustin, who belongs to Ruritania, and Barsonen, Detchord, and Degotet. These are the foreigner people. So this was the plan after all, and they has taken the oath that we must take a revenge to Joseph. Joseph, your blood will not be wasted. Sept says, Joseph, your blood will not be wasted. And now, one thing I would like to say that Sept says, Razendal, your presence is highly needful in Ruritania and Strelsa, because if you are alive, the king should be alive. Your presence must be determined in Ruritania and Strelsa. So this was the plan after all. When they have taken the body of Joseph and they were moving towards graveyard to put into dust, to bury him in a mid, the big fight started among the people of Black Michael and Sept and Razendal. They fought bravely, and the 3 people among them were killed by Sept and Razendal, and other were disappeared, run away from. Yes. After all, my dear student, the role of, as you know, the Black Michael is very determined. You know, he always wants to be a crown king, but his all dream become vague. You know. Now, after all, the Zenda and Sept secretly, they haven't tell to anybody, and they buried to Mr. Joseph into dust, and they are moving towards Mauritania. And you know, whenever I told you in starting of my lecture that just Mr. Frizz was is a guardian, he was standing along the room of Mr. Zindal, and he was in position not to interrupt anyone in the room of Crown King. So very secretly, they all have done all their mission, and they were known that our real king, Mr. Rodolphe Albert, is kidnapped by the people of Black Michael and his personal bodyguard. And they are moving towards Mauritania, and they come safely before the 9 a.m. because the door was being closed before the 9 a.m. And they come from same doors, secret doors, and they come and meet to friends, and they have been told the situation would happen there, that the real king is kidnapped and the Joseph was being murdered, and it was a big fight between Michael and his personal, Max Hoff and Blake Michael and some others. So we have killed 3 people of Michael. So this was the story which I'm trying to end the shooting lodge and coronation ceremony, as I've been told in all my sequence of lecture. So slowly, gradually, dear student, I will tell you what happened after all and what should be the situation ahead. So this was, and while in this moment, I think it was a great surprise for the people of Mauritania that the crown king is an imposter. Yes, you know that the Zenda is an imposter, but he played very good role. He enjoyed a lot in all the way, in all the situation. And after all, my dear student, in my 6th lecture, I will tell you what happened when the real king is kidnapped, where Zendal and Sept and Frizz are playing a role, how to save the king who's kidnapped by such a heinous and criminal people of Michael, and they are always waiting to get the order from Michael and kill the people which are under the command of Michael. So we will discuss furthermore. There are many incidents, there are many situations in this novel. As you know, this novel is really a romantical novel full with horror, tragic scene, emotions, and there are some other flaws in this novel. So, my dear student, inshallah, in my 6th lecture, I will tell you the coming situation after shooting lodge and coronation ceremony has become accomplished. As you know, your hero Zendal, he became a crown king, how he play a role to save the king and the people of Mauritania and Princess Flavia as well from the horrified eyes of Michael to get the marry with Miss Flavia. So inshallah, in my next lecture, my dear student, in the 6th lecture, I will tell you what happened in coming incidents, inshallah. Thank you, goodbye.